YouTube, what's up? What's up? So, just wanted to shoot a quick video for you guys. Today we are dropping off the BLKHORN. As you can see, it's in the background here. For those of you who don't know, we had a little fender bender, so you can see at the front, you know, where the bumper is kind of mashed in. And then we had some scuff marks here on the grill, so it's going into the body shop today. So yeah, CNC Auto in Greenville, Mississippi. They're gonna get me straight. They're gonna take care of me. As you can see, they got plenty of work around here. So the BLKHORN is going in. So do me a favor, y'all, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys can see when the videos are coming out. Oh, and check out that tag too. Got that blackout tag on there. So, but anyway, like I was saying, like, share, subscribe. And I got a giveaway going on right now too. So when I post this video, the giveaway will still be going. It's gonna run into Thursday. So we're gonna hopefully I'll have a winner picked by Friday. So once again, CNC Auto in Greenville, Mississippi. Really appreciate you guys for going ahead and getting me in and getting me taken care of. The truck is gonna be gone for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. So yeah, gotta, you know what I'm saying, gotta get used to it being gone. So anyway, guys, I'll keep y'all posted in regards to how things go, and the BLKHORN will be back soon. Peace.